Hey, what's up guys? So update all of you doing well. So there are multiple new updates available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and a sad news as well. So today we will check out those. First of all, for the updates, simply go into the Galaxy Store app of your S24 Ultra. After tapping on Galaxy Store, simply tap on this menu option. Now tap on updates. From here, you will get to see that there are multiple new app updates available. First up, we have the Samsung Gallery with the bug fixes, Samsung account, nearby device scanning, Bixby, Samsung Find, and the clock face. Some new features and the bugs have been fixed with this new update. If we talk about the Samsung Gallery update size, so it is 50 MB in size and you can update singular app by simply tapping on this icon, or if you want to update all the apps at once, simply tap on update all. And all of these apps will be updated one by one. Further, if you talk about the sad news, so the sad news is that there is no June security patch update available yet for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. We already got the June update for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, but there is no update yet available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If we talk about the date today, so it is 24 June today and there is no update available yet. The June is ending and we are still waiting for the June security patch update. And not only that, there is no Google Play system update available yet as well. So I hope that Samsung will soon release the update for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the new updates available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the sad news regarding the update. If you are new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.